everybody! So we received another package from WowWee, and this one's a nice crate, and it's definitely got something inside. So we're gonna check out what WowWee delivered us. We have this nice little flyer here. Uh-oh, it's the Legends of Dragon. It says, show us how you tame your Legends Dragon. Wow, okay. Let's open up this crate and see our new dragon. Now, if you checked out our Easter basket video, we had an untamed dragon that was called Shockwave. And so there's a new one out, and we are about to find out what it is. Let's check it out. Ready? Whoa. Okay. Oh, his name is Vulcan. And he is huge. Oh, wow. Okay. Here's our package. This is Vulcan, the Untamed Dragon. And it's our job to tame him. Oh, and they gave us batteries, so we don't even have to purchase batteries. That's awesome. Thank you, WowWee. And as usual, we got some candy. And it's little gummy dragons, so dinosaurs and stuff. This is cool. We'll save this for the end of the video. Right. So we're gonna take a second and we're gonna open up the box so we can play with our new dragon. And here's one more egg for you. Okay, so we're back and we have them all unboxed. This is Vulcan. As you can see, his wings and everything moves. So Vulcan takes 4 AAA batteries. Please make sure if this is gonna be a gift for the holidays that you don't forget the batteries. Now, he has posable arms and I believe legs, so you can pose him in different positions. And of course his wings flap and he makes nice realistic dragon sounds. Let's see, he also needs to be tamed, so he likes to be pet. Oh, but if you don't pet him the right way, he will let you know. Let's see if we can get him calm. Oh, there we go, much better. He's definitely a character. Ooh. Oh, let's see if he likes the flying motion. Ah, he does. And what's so cool about him is that his head's turned left and right and his chest glows. So we're gonna do some cool close-ups of Vulcan and show him in action. You ready? Oh, by the way, while we were unboxing Vulcan here, we discovered a nest filled with eggs. So maybe he's just trying to protect his eggs. Alright, so let's check out Vulcan up close and personal. Let's show him how he reacts when he's tamed. If you pet him sideways on his top of his head, he will respond nicely. Let's try that. Now, what happens if you pet him the other direction?
He'll get mad.
Oh, wow. Okay, so he can do a fireball sound effect if you blow in his face. Let's blow in his face and see what happens. Look at that. Wow. Okay, clap once to make him screech and growl. Okay. Now, it says clap twice to activate guard mode. Okay. So in guard mode, he turns green and red at the chest. And then he detects different movements and sounds. So let's see if we can activate, if he can feel us coming. Oh, he detected you. Oh, wow. And he's throwing fireballs. That is too cool. And of course, he has his posable thumbs, arms, and legs, so you can put him in different poses. And now he's sitting up.
Thank you for the cool toy, WowWee. Bye.
for watching. Click on Libby to subscribe to our channel. Already subscribed? Click over here to see more of our videos.